Good day everyone. So now we will be talking about the octal number system and its conversion to binary and decimal, since we only learned the binary and decimal first. And the last video that I will be doing would be the hexadecimal number system to the different number systems, which are binary, decimal, and octal number system. So we have octal number system. Computer scientists are often looking for shortcuts to do things. One of the ways in which we can represent binary numbers is to use their octal equivalent instead. This is especially helpful when we have to do fairly complicated tasks using numbers. Now, take note that octal is a 3-bit coding. Okay? So, now, the octal numbering system includes 8 base digits from 0 to 7. After 7, the next placeholder to the right begins with 1. Okay, let's comprehensively think about that one. You can see here that these are the decimal, represented by decimal. This right here is represented by binary, and this one is octal. Okay, so in decimal 0, the value would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat na 0. Then pag 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right? Because remember, remember the 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay? So pag 2 siya, 0, oops. Pag 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0 because we will be turning on 2. Pag 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. Tama? So, i-turn off natin si 8, si 4, i-on natin si 2 at saka si 1. The result would be 3. Okay? Now, as per the presentation earlier, the octal is a 3-bit coding, which means that 3-bit lang po yung kukunin natin. Okay? So, from the slide here, you can see that each numbers in decimal is a 3-bit coding lang, right? 3-bit coding, 3-bit coding. Now, after 7, the next placeholder to the right begins with 1, which means it would now be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay? So, what happened? Si 0 na octal is equivalent to 0, 0, 0. So, take note that's 0. Okay? This is decimal. This is octal. So, pag 0 na decimal, tatlong 0. Pag decimal 1, si octal is just 1, 2, and 4. So, i-turn on natin si 1. So, 0, 0, 1. Si 2, i-turn on natin si 2. Si 3, i-turn on natin si 2 and 1. Right? Now, what would happen if gagawin natin siyang 8? So, if magiging 8 yung decimal natin, 1 plus 2 is 3, diba? Plus 4, 7. So, which means that 8 in decimal and 9 in decimal has no equivalent in octal. So, ang mangyayari is, it will go to 10 directly. So, pag 10 na decimal, so si 0 is tatlong 0, si 1 is, diba, 1, 2, 4, and then 1, 2, 4 na naman siya. So, si 1 is 1, 0, 0. So, magiging ganito siya. Pag 11, i-turn on natin si 1. So, 0, 0, 1, i-turn on din natin si 1. So, ganun lang po yung octal. Now, let's have an example. Conversion of octal number system. So, here we have number 1 is 101101110, the binary to octal. This is binary, right? Ones and zeros, remember? And base 8 again is octal. Remember that octal is a 3-bit coding, so therefore we are going to divide this by 3. So you must always start to divide it here sa kabila. So, isa, dalawa, tatlo, and then this one as well. Then, sir, dalawa lang po yung natitira. Walang problema, you just put 0 here because 0 there will nullify, meaning it will be useless. Okay? So, do not forget that you should divide it starting from the right, not sa left, no? Kasi po, pag dito ka mag-divide, magkakamali ka na po. For example, kasi this example is na timing siya na 6 siya. What if 7? So, pag 7, dito ka nag-start ng divide, mali na po lahat yung sagot nyo. Okay? Alright. So, once again, divide the binary into 3. So, simula tayo. So, 1, 1, 0. Remember 1, 2, and 4. 1, 1, and 0. Ang naka-turn on po is 4 and 2. So, that is 6. Dito po, 16 po yung naka-turn on, right? Si 2 and saka si 4. Here, ang naka-turn on is 1, 2, 4 is si 2. So, therefore, your answer here would be 266 base 8. This is your final answer. Okay? Now, let's have number 2. So, once again po, i-divide natin siya by 2. So, 1, 2, 4. Since naka 3-bit coding siya, 1, 2, 4. So, divide the number system by 3. So, 3. 1 plus 2, diba? Naka-on si 1 tsaka si 2. So, 3. Dito din po sa kabila, naka-on si 1 at saka si 2. So, that's 33 base 8. Ganun lang po, kasimple. Okay. Now, what if from decimal to octal? So, remember what we did yesterday? We converted first decimal to binary. Para, pag maging binary na po siya, we can divide it by 3 para maging octal. So, dito, we will be dividing it, or we will be making a binary number out of 162 decimal. So, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So, 128 plus 64. So, 12 carry 1, 9, 192. So, pwede na po, di ba? We can stop sa 128 na. So, 1 to 128. What about 128 plus 32? 0 carry 1, 6, 160. Alright, so, we already have 160. So, 2 na lang po yung kulang. So, 0 natin si 64. I-1 natin si 32. And then, again, 2 na lang po yung kulang, which means i-on natin si 2. Para maging 162. So, on natin siya, and then 0 na po yung the rest. Okay? Ayan na po yung binary number natin. So, since we already have that binary number, let's divide that by 3 once again. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, use 1, 2, 4 again. So, dito po, ang naka-turn on is si 2. Right? So, 2. Dito is 1, 2, 4. Naka-turn on si 4. Dito po, ang naka-turn on is 1, 2, 4. Si 2 lang. Therefore, your final answer would be 2, 4, 2, 8. Alright. So, now let's have number 26. Let's have number 4. So, number 4 decimal, 26 decimal to octal. So, again po, gagawin po natin yung 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So, wala na po si 32 since 26 na po yan. So, iwan natin si 16. Tsaka si 8. So, 24 na, and then si 2. Then 0 and 0. Then divide natin sila by 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus, dito naka-turn on is si 2 lang. So, 32, 8. Ito po yung final answer natin. So, that would be all from Octal number system. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me on Blackboard. Thank you.